Right, hello everyone. So US30 on the 31st of October, last day of the month. So you can clearly see it is a bearish day, it's PCE day, and you have a lot of liquidity being collected on the way down. So we're going to go over that now and just show you how to approach every move, even if you got the wrong bias. So let's go down. So going over here, what we are seeing is the 31st, which is here. So you can see we've got that big downwards move. So going into this day, I had a clear bias of a bullish move because we came down, took the previous low liquidity, and this is a buy area. So I was clearly looking for a buy. I'm just going to go over how we approach that now. So you can have completely the wrong bias, but if you manage your entries and your trade effectively to the strategy that you learn, then you can manage your risk, and your strategy and your rules are there to minimize as much risk as possible. So looking at this is the previous day. As I take them away, what we do is just drag over the premium sell areas and discount buy areas, as you know. So this would be a discount buy area, but you can see here before the close we've got a push down below that to clear these lows. So it's not really a strong, there's no real bullish pressure. So this is not a discount buy area that you drag along. It clearly shows the sales are in strong over from up here. So you drag this area along up here. So yeah, you drag that along and that would be your premium sales. But I haven't left that on the chart because you can see we had a clear continuation down day. But that is what you would do in case you got a retracement to this premium sell area, and then you would sell for a continuation down. And on this chart, you can see at the start of the day, we start to take the previous day lows here. So we're going down, closing the gaps, and we're taking that low here. So let's just go over that now. Here we are. Same as always, here's the mop. Here's the pre-London, and here's the London opening here. Here you have the previous day, not previous day, the daily low from over here. So this is a weekly low too. So that is a major low, and then you got all of these over here, which are the thicker ones are previous daily lows, and then you got minor previous lows here. But we can just go over how we trade that now. So price pushes down, pre-London takes place, London here. So I focus on the London opening. At this time, there's not really much to go over. He pushes down here, takes liquidity here, so you'd be looking for a bullish move. This is in the London session. So I had a bullish bias, so I'm going to go over there how I dealt with that now. So that is a clear buy. So let's say I entered around there, and that was on the upwards move. Goes up to the London opening there, and by that time you'd have moved to break even because that is following the trade template. And by the time it gets to London opening, you need to move to break even at least. Price pushes down, takes me out at break even. Price pushes down, goes sideways a bit. Doesn't take this low, so I didn't really take this entry. Price pushes down once again, takes this low and this major low, which is a past daily low. So this is a valid buy area here. And remember what I said about if it takes liquidity, like it is here, it's a better buy setup. So here you might have got a failed buy attempt, but here you would have had a stronger buy confirmation. So there is your buy confirmation. As price goes up back to the London opening, you move to break even, and by this time you'd have took partial profits there because again it can retrace to the London opening and continue down like it did. Reversal here is also a sell trade, but you're going into the New York session now, so even though you expect it to continue down, you're not looking to trade it. This is PCE news too, so you can just expect the news to push down going into the New York session, and that's what you get. I in fact took a scalp trade from around here down to here to target that low. That wasn't following the trade template, that was just me following the price action. So I'm not going to put that on. So overall, small profit for the London session. Even though you was wrong and it didn't fly up, you still managed to trade effectively and you made profit, or at worst break even. Now we move on to the New York session. So we got the pre-New York here, we got PCE release up here, and we got the New York opening here. These are major previous low liquidity pools, and this is a major past daily low liquidity. So here is the New York open, pushes up, retest that area, impulse move down. Like I said, I was looking for a bullish move, so this is a bullish confirmation for me. I was focusing on that bullish move. It pushed down, took liquidity here, took that previous low liquidity and gave me an impulse move up. By the time it hit the New York level, I moved to break even. As it got up here, I took partial profits. Price come all the way back down, takes me out. Didn't get into this trade. Retest up, retest the New York open and continues towards the downside. So that was the only trade I took there. Price pushes down, takes this major daily low, and then you start to see resistance and price turning. So here is where I took a nice clear buy. I think I sent this out to VIP members too, and that was towards the upside, and that was clearly back to the New York open here. So that was a nice bit of profit, clear trade. Overall, even though my bias was wrong, you got break even, small profit to there, and nice bit of profit here to end the day. So you can see how this strategy works even when your bias is completely wrong. That is a bearish day. I was buying and I knew where to buy because I've back tested my strategy, and it provides profit even when your bias is completely wrong. Now you don't want to try and get every kind of move on the chart because you are not a genius or a genie or whatever. You're not a mastermind, you're just looking to make profit. That is your aim. Your aim is not to trade every move. So going here, I was happy with that. Finished for the day, and I just let the earnings play out here. So that was the 31st of October. End of the month, and then we go on to the next month. We have our bias, but we don't stick to it as strongly as glue. We adapt and follow price to what it shows us. Now on to the next video.